Well, hello there guys. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a new house haul. So if you missed my video that I did, and I did like a walkthrough of our new house that we are building, my husband and I bought our first home. Well, sort of bought. We're building it, so we're already in the process, but we close on it on March 15th. So in front of me, I have a bunch of stuff to show you guys. I had some Christmas and birthday money that I decided to spend to get some house decor for the new place, and then my mom also got us a couple of these things as housewarming gifts. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Everything with the exception of one thing is for the kitchen living area. And this is not like all we're getting for decor wise. If you've bought a home before, then you know that the decorating process can be long. You gotta take it in phases. So let's just hop right into it. I'm gonna show you the exception one, which is for our bedroom actually first. And that is this puppy right here. It is a California king size quilt. And the reason I wanted to get one of these is my husband and I got a king size mattress when we moved here and we had a queen. We still don't have any sort of king size blanket that fits on our bed. We still have a queen comforter. So I really wanted to get something that actually fit our bed. And so I decided to get this, and I got it on like a crazy good deal. Wayfair was having an insane sale, and so this thing had like 4.5 stars, and I got it for 40 bucks, and it was originally over $100, which was pretty good. Okay, so moving on to living room. First is this nice little throw blanket. So I've been really thinking about what colors I want in the new house, and yellow is just so cheery and bright and happy, but it's also kind of a scary color, I think, to use in decorating. It can kind of be one that a lot of people like the color yellow because it does make you feel happier, but it's kind of a scarier one to design with, but I've decided to take it on. So my husband and I are kind of going for a modern rustic design feel, and yellow is going to be used in our accent colors, but our main colors are going to be white and gray throughout the house. And so I got this kind of white fuzzy throw blanket, which I just thought would be really nice to have on the couch. Minimalism wise, it's really time that we kind of invest in some nice throw blankets to have and get rid of all of our little cheapy ones. Now, after I had already ordered that throw blanket, I went back on and was reading through more of the reviews, and someone mentioned that it actually came with 2 pillowcases, so 2 matching pillowcases came with it. So I put the other one on this pillow so you could kind of see. It was a 20-inch pillow cover, and these are our pillows that are actually like with the cover still on them that we're on our current couch right now. So these would be like the big guys. And then on top of that, I ordered 4 more pillows. So these are the 2 that I haven't opened, just because since we're moving, I didn't want to open all of them. I really only opened them to show you guys the pillowcases. The other ones I bought. So I bought 2 of each of these as well. So this is the yellow that we're kind of going for in our home. Not quite a mustard yellow, but not like a super bright yellow either. It's kind of like an in-between. And then this nice gray one, but I will show you guys. So this is what the yellow looks like. And this is actually really nice. I think the 2-pack for them was like $14 or something like that. Everything that I got will be linked down below. I got it all on Amazon. So, and then this is the gray one. So I got all 20-inch pillow inserts, but I got 18-inch covers for the gray and 20-inch covers for the yellow to kind of like make it appear like they're different sizes, because I didn't want them to all be the same size. So these ones look a little smaller but fluffier. And then the thing that I definitely did not need at all, but I just really wanted one. If you watch our vlog channel, then you already saw this. It is a letterboard. I'm trying to hold it so you guys don't see my ring light, but I really wanted one of these. Now I'm gonna hold it so you guys can see though up close. If you notice, this one is not felt. And that is why I got this one, because the felt ones, I honestly don't know what the big hype is about people wanting the felt one. I feel like they just hold on to hair and dust. We have a small $5 one that we got from the Target spot. That one's made of felt, and I've already noticed like stuff sticking to it, where this one is plastic, and so it's just easy to wipe down. No dog hair gets all over it, which is super nice. And also, this is a 16 by 20, and I believe it was only 25 bucks. If you have looked into these at all, they can get pretty pricey when you get the bigger ones. Okay, and then I got 2 last things, which are kitchen items, and the first are these right here, Turkish hand towels. So I really want to try Turkish bath towels. I've been kind of reading up on them and learning about them. If you use Turkish bath towels, you'll have to let me know down below what you think about them. But I thought I would start with hand towels just to kind of get a feel for what they were like. They all have these tassels, even the bath towel, the Turkish bath towels do. It obviously is not this exact yellow, but it definitely is a complementary yellow. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera as well, but if like you hold them up to each other in person, like they still complement each other well. I think especially when you choose a color more outside the box like yellow, you shouldn't necessarily try to stick to finding the exact yellow. That'd be a lot more difficult. So I'm more just trying to focus on finding ones that complement each other. But yeah, these are Turkish hand towels. I have not used them yet, so I cannot give my opinion on what my feelings are. However, I can say that the hand towels or the dish towels that we use right now the material is a lot like this. We use like flour sacks, I think that's what they call them. That's what we use to dry our dishes with. The material feels very similar to that. So I can't see why we wouldn't like these. And yeah, we plan to use them, like I said, in the kitchen for dish and hand towels. And the last thing that we got is this puppy right here. It is a toaster oven. We have never had a toaster oven. We have not had one, but we have always wanted one, especially because Ryan and I are starting to not want to actually use our microwave at all. But using an oven every time to heat stuff up, it's just a lot of work, so we just tend to just go for the microwave, whereas a toaster oven will be a lot quicker. We're actually looking at like down the road, like in a couple years, possibly taking our microwave out completely and replacing it with a like built-in toaster oven, because they do have those. They have like mini convection ovens basically, which is like a toaster oven. But anyways, we really wanted a toaster oven so we could stop using our microwave as much. And so I'm really excited about that. And it wasn't a bad price either. I want to say it was like $40. I could be wrong. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen what it actually was. Everything, like I said, will be linked down below. That is it. It's not a ton of stuff, but it's a lot of things that I think will make a big difference. If you want to hear more about the design and stuff like that, let me know. I was thinking of doing like a design with me video for the living room and kitchen area. And so basically I would kind of talk you through future-wise what we're planning to purchase, because we already know a lot of the things, like what couch exactly we want to get, and a few other things. And I kind of was thinking maybe I'll do a video where I'll show you like the exacts of what we plan to buy. So if you want me to do like a design with me video, let me know, and I will go ahead and do that in the near future. Again, let me know if you've used Turkish towels, hand towels, bath towels, whatever it may be. I want to hear about it. What were your thoughts? And I will see all of your wonderful faces on Wednesday with the marriage Q&A that my husband is going to be joining me for. I asked you guys for questions here on YouTube, actually, with the community tab, and a bunch of you gave some awesome ones, so we're going to be posting that on Valentine's Day. We kind of thought that'd be the perfect time to post it. So my husband and I will see all of your wonderful faces on Wednesday. Bye.